Okay, this is the door lock. This is behind the red square. You just push it over here to do it. Okay? You needed to do it like this. See? And then the red square has been disappeared. But there's a SRS airbag also in the steering wheel to claim to for a warning to the SRS airbag. There's also a warning light over here that opens when it's on, and then when you start the engine it will turn off. Then there's a warning over here, do not lay like this, and then you will go on the top. Okay, this is just for warning, this is just for door, this is just a door lock and for door lock, and then the airbag. But to unlock it, you just do like push it, and then this is how to for the airbag, and for the airbag, and then door lock only. For car purposes only. Okay, you watch other the videos down below over here. The car videos.